Me are the king of the sound.
What's up YouTube, King K here. Today I'm going to be telling you basically how to make money from YouTube. Okay, so when I started off making videos on YouTube, I really didn't think I was going to get paid, or I didn't think I was going to make any money, right? But back then it was way easier to monetize your videos or monetize your channel. So I ended up doing that, and I ended up just not thinking much about it. I set it up, put my bank information and all that, but I was like, how long is it really going to take for me to make money on YouTube? And this was, I'm talking 2015, when I posted, my video that ended up going viral. Well, presently, back then, it really was a regular video on YouTube with a couple hundred views. I never knew, or I never intended for it to go viral, but that's, I guess, what viral kind of is. So I had everything set up, monetizing my videos. Even though it was a couple of hundred views, I still, took the initiative to monetize it. So fast forward to today, I've put up a couple of videos now on YouTube that have amassed thousands and thousands of views. But the basic thing you need to know is you need, I think, about 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel, which is not really easy if you're, just pulling in a couple of hundred views. And you basically need 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. So if you are looking to do those two things, you definitely got to put in the work, because otherwise, you're not going to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. And to some of you this might take a little bit of time, and to some of you it might come easy because you're already developing that community in your YouTube channel where people return to watch your videos, or people are staying tuned to what you're doing, right? So to cut the story short, I monetized that video, which went viral. And I forgot about the video completely. I totally forgot about the video. And one day I went back on YouTube, and I was just going through my old channel, which happens to be this channel, and I come across that video, and I saw that it had gained over 110,000 views, and I was like, what? How did this happen? I totally forgot about this channel, guys. So you can imagine my surprise when I discovered that the video had gone viral. I was literally going to delete the video a couple years ago. I was like, oh, this video doesn't look that good. The quality is not that great. And I was going to delete it. You can imagine how much money I would have lost if I had deleted that video, right? So I was going to delete the video, but I was just like, screw it, I'm going to leave it there. And it went viral. Literally, for me, it was overnight, because I literally didn't put a thought to it. It just, was not in my mind at all. I didn't check the channel. I didn't check the stats of the video or whatever. I didn't check how many views it was getting. And, I was back, and it was 110,000 views. And then I remember going to, the stats, the YouTube stats, and I saw that my channel was estimated at, a certain amount of dollars. And I'm like, whoa, I remember setting the threshold to $100. And basically I was checking, my AdSense account. Now, that's another thing you got to do, guys. When you do monetize your videos, you have to have an AdSense account. I ended up going to my AdSense account, and I saw that I had made the threshold. I had made the $100 threshold, and they were going to mail me a check. You know what I mean? And I was like, wait a minute, I've been sleeping on this video this whole time, and this video just made me money, just made me $100. And I'm like, whoa, this is insane. And I thought okay, this was going to be a one-time check, and I probably wouldn't make any more money from the video because it was an old video now. And the product that I reviewed, I don't know how many people are still buying that kind of stuff. But then again, I kept receiving paychecks from my YouTube channel, because now I figured that since that one video blew up and went viral, I could do it again. So I kept making other videos, which also got thousands of views, and that obviously makes the coin go up, you know what I mean? And I ended up getting, paycheck after paycheck from YouTube, and I can say it's a very good passive income, because I used to make those videos and basically just forget about it, you know what I mean? And the money just keeps counting, and people keep watching it. One thing I learned to do over time was always engage with the comments and whatever, you know what I mean? And I just, continue to have a very engaging conversation with people asking questions about what I was basically talking about in my videos. And that kind of helped get people subscribing, and you know what I mean? And that's another good way for you to get subscribers, you know what I mean? Talk to the people that comment on your video, the people that take their time out to comment or have questions about your video. This creates a kind of rapport with them where they feel like, okay, maybe you're a trusted brand, or you're a trusted person to get or seek advice from. And that's kind of how you build your subscribers. Another thing is creating good content, you know what I mean? When you create good content, people want to come back for more. You leave them wanting more, right? So that's what I ended up doing, and it's been great making money off YouTube, because it's kind of like a side thing for me, but I'm trying to take it more seriously now. But I mean, imagine just waking up one day, going to log into your bank, and you see an automatic $100, and I'm talking US dollars. I mean Canada, you know. It's a little bit more than a Canadian currency right now, and even back then. But yeah, like, you know, just waking up to that $100 in your account for something that you basically didn't put a lot of effort and a lot of time into. It's really great, right? So there you go, guys. Don't forget, ask questions in the comment section if you want me to talk about anything. I wanted to make this video brief so that I will basically craft the videos or the next videos about this topic to your questions and your suggestions, and basically what you guys leave in the comment section. Alright guys, thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this or for more advice, and to basically follow the journey, because I'm going to be posting a lot of exciting stuff coming soon to my channel. Thank you guys once more. It's been King K bringing you this super duper video. You already know, we keep it locked down. You heard? Peace.